A sting from Africa, the origin of killer bees. These bees have a story that is as fascinating as it is terrifying. The Africanized honeybee, nicknamed the killer bee, inspires fear worldwide. Their aggressive nature and rapid spread have made them infamous. These bees aren't a naturally occurring species. They were born from a scientific experiment gone wrong. What started as a quest to boost honey production turned into a global concern. In 1956, Brazilian scientists imported African honeybees to increase honey production. The goal was to combine the best traits of African bees with local bees. These bees were known for their resilience and productivity. They could thrive in harsh conditions and produce more honey than their European counterparts. However, some of these African bees escaped quarantine. The containment measures failed, and the bees found their way into the wild. They bred with European honeybees, creating a hybrid species, the Africanized honeybee. This new species combined traits from both parent species. This hybrid inherited a potent mix of traits: the African bee's resilience and the European bee's adaptability. This combination proved disastrous. The Africanized bees were not only more productive but also far more aggressive. These new bees were highly aggressive and defensive. They would attack in large numbers, making them a significant threat to humans and animals alike. They quickly spread throughout South and Central America, reaching North America by the 1990s. Their ability to adapt to different environments facilitated their rapid expansion. Their rapid expansion earned them the moniker killer bees, striking fear into the hearts of many. Reports of attacks and fatalities spread, heightening public concern. The accidental creation and spread of the Africanized honeybee serves as a stark reminder. Even with good intentions, interfering with nature can have unintended and dangerous consequences. Scientists continue to study these bees to find ways to manage their spread and mitigate their impact. Despite their fearsome reputation, Africanized honeybees play a crucial role in pollination. Efforts are ongoing to balance their benefits with the risks they pose. Beekeepers and scientists are working together to develop strategies to coexist with these bees. Education and awareness are key to preventing unnecessary panic and ensuring safety. The story of the Africanized honeybee is a complex one, blending science, nature, and human intervention. It serves as a powerful lesson in the delicate balance of our ecosystem. Identifying the enemy: Africanized versus European honeybees. These two types of bees, while similar in appearance, have significant differences that are crucial to understand, especially for beekeepers and those living in areas where both species are present. Telling an Africanized honeybee from its European cousin isn't easy. They look remarkably similar, and this similarity can often lead to confusion. However, knowing the differences can be a matter of safety. Both are about ½ inch long, with golden yellow bodies striped with black. This coloration is a common trait among many honeybee species, making visual identification challenging. This visual similarity makes it difficult to identify them by sight alone. However, subtle differences exist that can help in distinguishing them if you know what to look for. Africanized honeybees are slightly smaller and darker than European honeybees. This size difference is often hard to notice without a direct comparison, but these distinctions are minuscule and require an expert eye to spot. Beekeepers often use magnification tools to observe these subtle differences. The real difference lies not in their appearance, but in their behavior. Africanized honeybees are known for their heightened aggression and rapid response to threats. Africanized honeybees are far more aggressive and react to disturbances with startling speed and intensity. This aggressive behavior is a defensive mechanism that has evolved over time. While a European honeybee might send out a few guard bees to investigate a threat, Africanized honeybees launch a full-scale assault. This can involve hundreds of bees attacking simultaneously. Understanding these behavioral differences is crucial for avoiding dangerous encounters. Beekeepers and individuals in areas with Africanized honeybees must take extra precautions. While both types of bees can sting, the heightened aggression of Africanized honeybees makes them considerably more dangerous. Their stings can be more frequent and intense, leading to severe reactions in some individuals. Beekeepers often use smoke to calm bees, a technique that works well with European honeybees but is less effective with Africanized honeybees due to their aggressive nature. Despite their differences, both types of bees play essential roles in pollination and the ecosystem. Understanding and respecting their behaviors can help in coexisting safely with these fascinating creatures. Whether Africanized or European, honeybees are vital to our environment. Their contributions to pollination and honey production are invaluable, making it important to learn about and protect these incredible insects. Silent alarm, deadly response. Understanding killer bee aggression. These bees, often referred to as killer bees, have a reputation that precedes them, and for good reason. Africanized honeybees are infamous for their aggression. Unlike their European counterparts, they are far more defensive and quick to react to any perceived threat. But what makes them so quick to attack? It's a combination of their genetic makeup and their environment. The answer lies in their heightened defensive instincts. These bees have evolved to be more vigilant and protective of their hive. They perceive threats more readily than other honeybees and react with overwhelming force. This heightened sensitivity is a survival mechanism. Their alarm system is hair trigger sensitive. Even the slightest disturbance can set them off. Vibrations, loud noises, and even dark clothing can trigger a defensive response. These bees are always on high alert. Once alarmed, they release attack pheromones, signaling the entire colony to mobilize. And mobilize they do, with a ferocity that is unmatched. Hundreds, even thousands of bees can launch into the air, pursuing the perceived threat relentlessly. Their coordination and sheer numbers make them a formidable force. They chase for longer distances and sting in greater numbers than European honeybees. This relentless pursuit can last for several hundred meters. Their venom isn't any more potent than that of other honeybees. However, the volume of stings they can deliver in a short period is staggering. However, the sheer number of stings they inflict makes them incredibly dangerous. A single encounter can result in hundreds of stings, overwhelming the victim's system. Their attacks can be fatal, especially for individuals allergic to bee venom. Immediate medical attention is crucial in such cases to prevent severe reactions or death. Understanding their behavior is key to avoiding dangerous encounters. Awareness and caution can help prevent triggering their aggressive defense mechanisms. Education and respect for their space are essential. By learning more about these bees, we can coexist safely and reduce the risk of attacks. Section 4. From Jungle to Suburb. Killer bee habitats and colonies. Africanized honeybees are incredibly adaptable. They thrive in various habitats, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts. This adaptability contributes to their rapid spread and makes them a challenge to control. Unlike European honeybees, which prefer to build hives in enclosed spaces, Africanized honeybees are less picky. They nest in a wide range of locations, including tree hollows, abandoned tires, and even underground cavities. Their colonies can be large, often containing tens of thousands of bees. This large population, coupled with their aggressive nature, makes their nests potential hazards. Their ability to establish colonies in close proximity to human settlements further increases the risk of encounters. It's not uncommon to find their hives in backyards, parks, and other urban areas. Section 5. Venom in flight. Threats to humans and animals. The danger posed by Africanized honeybees is undeniable. Their venomous stings are a threat to both humans and animals. While a single sting might not be lethal to a healthy adult, multiple stings can be deadly. Children, the elderly, and those with allergies are particularly vulnerable. For them, even a few stings can trigger a severe allergic reaction, leading to anaphylactic shock and potentially death. Animals are also at risk. Pets, livestock, and even wild animals can fall victim to killer bee attacks. The consequences can be devastating, ranging from painful stings to death. Their aggressive nature and tendency to attack in large numbers make encounters particularly dangerous. They can quickly overwhelm their victims, inflicting numerous stings in a short amount of time.
Ants are everywhere. They thrive in forests, deserts, grasslands, and even our homes. These tiny creatures, often overlooked, are a testament to the power of collective effort. Ants have colonized almost every corner of our planet, their impact on the environment profound and far-reaching. Their colonies, often composed of millions of individuals, function as superorganisms. Each ant plays a specific role, contributing to the survival and success of the entire colony. The world of ants is a marvel of nature's ingenuity. Their complex societies, intricate communication networks, and remarkable adaptations have fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts for centuries. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of ants, exploring their lives, behaviors, and the crucial role they play in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Ants, despite their diminutive size, possess a remarkably robust and specialized anatomy. Their bodies are divided into three distinct segments: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The head houses their sensory organs, powerful mandibles, and crucial antennae. The mandibles are strong jaws used for a variety of tasks. Ants use their mandibles for digging, carrying food, defending the colony, and even cutting leaves. Antennae are perhaps their most important sensory organs. These segmented appendages are covered in sensitive receptors. They allow ants to detect chemical signals, vibrations, and even changes in air currents. The thorax, the middle segment, bears the ant's 6 legs. Each leg ends in a hooked claw, providing excellent grip for navigating diverse terrains. The abdomen contains the ant's vital organs, including the heart, digestive system, and reproductive organs. Some species also possess a stinger at the tip of the abdomen, used for defense and subduing prey. Ant colonies are marvels of social organization, often compared to well-structured cities. Each colony operates as a single, cohesive unit, with individual ants performing specialized roles. The colony's success hinges on this division of labor. At the heart of the colony lies the queen, the mother of all ants within the nest. Her primary function is reproduction, laying thousands of eggs to ensure the colony's growth. Worker ants, all sterile females, make up the majority of the colony. These industrious individuals are responsible for the colony's day-to-day operations. Their tasks include foraging for food, caring for the brood, building and maintaining the nest, and defending the colony. Soldiers, larger and more robust than workers, are tasked with protecting the colony from invaders. Drones, the only males in the colony, have a short and specific purpose. Their sole role is to mate with virgin queens during the nuptial flight. After fulfilling their reproductive duty, drones die, their life cycle complete. This highly organized social structure with its clear division of labor is key to the ant's ecological dominance. Ants exhibit remarkable adaptability when it comes to their choice of habitat. They can be found in diverse environments, from lush forests to arid deserts. Their nests, often hidden underground, inside trees, or even within man-made structures, are testaments to their architectural prowess. The complexity and ingenuity of these nests vary greatly depending on the species. Leafcutter ants, for instance, are renowned for their underground cities. These industrious ants create vast networks of chambers and tunnels, some extending several meters below the surface. They use chewed-up leaves to cultivate a specific type of fungus, which serves as their primary food source. Weaver ants, on the other hand, construct their nests by weaving together living leaves. These arboreal architects use silk produced by their larvae to bind leaves together, creating intricate and surprisingly strong nests high above the ground. The diversity in ant habitats and nest-building techniques highlights their remarkable adaptability and evolutionary success. Section 5. A diverse palate, foraging, and diet in the ant kingdom. Ants, as a group, display a wide range of dietary preferences. Some species are omnivorous, feeding on a combination of plant and animal matter. Others are strictly herbivorous, relying on seeds, nectar, or even fungus for sustenance. Carnivorous ants, as their name suggests, prey on other insects and small invertebrates. Foraging for food is a highly organized activity in the ant world. Scout ants venture out from the nest in search of promising food sources. Upon discovering a food source, they lay down a pheromone trail, a chemical scent marker, back to the colony. This trail serves as a guide for other worker ants, allowing them to efficiently locate and exploit the food resource. This efficient foraging strategy, coupled with their diverse dietary preferences, allows ants to thrive in a wide range of habitats and exploit a variety of food resources. Their ability to adapt their diet and foraging techniques contributes significantly to their ecological success. Section 6. Silent communication, chemical signals, and complex behaviors. Ants, despite lacking the ability to vocalize, have developed a sophisticated communication system based on chemical signals, or pheromones. These chemical messages, secreted from various glands on their bodies, convey a wealth of information to other ants. Pheromones are used to mark trails, signal danger, attract mates, and even distinguish between nestmates and intruders. Beyond basic communication, ants exhibit a range of complex behaviors, some bordering on the remarkable. Leafcutter ants, for example, engage in a form of agriculture. They cultivate specialized fungus gardens within their nests, providing them with a constant food source. These ants have even developed methods to protect their fungal crops from pests and diseases. Another fascinating example is that of aphid-herding ants. These ants form mutually beneficial relationships with aphids, protecting them from predators and milking them for honeydew, a sugary secretion. These complex behaviors, driven by chemical communication, highlight the intricate social interactions and ecological adaptations found within the ant world. Section 7. The cycle of life, reproduction and longevity in ant colonies. The life cycle of an ant begins with an egg, laid by the colony's queen. These eggs hatch into larvae, small grub-like creatures that rely entirely on worker ants for nourishment. The larvae molt several times as they grow, eventually pupating and transforming into adult ants. The type of adult ant that emerges, worker, soldier, or drone, depends on a combination of genetic and environmental factors. The queen, the reproductive heart of the colony, can live for several years, laying thousands of eggs throughout her lifetime. Her reign, however, begins with a dramatic nuptial flight. During this flight, the young winged queen mates with one or more drones from other colonies. After mating, she sheds her wings, establishes a new nest, and begins laying eggs, starting a new colony. Worker ants, despite their tireless efforts, have a relatively short lifespan, typically living for a few months. Drones, their purpose solely reproductive, have an even shorter lifespan, dying soon after mating. This cycle of life and death ensures the continuation of the colony and the perpetuation of the species. Section 8. Ecological champions, importance and challenges faced by ants. Ants play a pivotal role in maintaining the health and balance of ecosystems worldwide. As ecosystem engineers, they influence soil structure, nutrient cycling, and seed dispersal. Their tunneling activities aerate the soil, improving drainage and enhancing plant growth. They also play a crucial role in decomposition, breaking down organic matter and returning nutrients to the soil. Furthermore, ants act as both predators and prey, regulating populations of other insects and serving as a food source for various animals. However, these tiny titans face numerous challenges in an ever-changing world. Habitat loss due to deforestation and urbanization poses a significant threat to ant populations. Invasive species, often introduced through human activities, can outcompete native ants, disrupting ecosystems. Climate change, with its unpredictable weather patterns and rising temperatures, also presents a challenge to these temperature-sensitive insects. Understanding and mitigating these challenges is crucial for ensuring the continued well-being of these vital creatures. Section 9. A glimpse into nature's intricacies. Lessons from the ant world. The world of ants, though often unseen, offers a fascinating glimpse into the intricacies of nature. Their complex societies, remarkable adaptations, and crucial ecological roles highlight the interconnectedness of life on Earth. From their efficient foraging strategies to their sophisticated communication networks, ants provide valuable insights into the power of collective effort and the importance of adaptation. Studying ants not only deepens our understanding of the natural world but also offers inspiration for fields like robotics, artificial intelligence, and even urban planning. Their ability to solve complex problems through cooperation and decentralized organization provides valuable lessons for human endeavors. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of ants, we uncover a wealth of knowledge and inspiration. Their story is a testament to the power of nature's ingenuity and the importance of appreciating even the smallest creatures that share our planet.
Eagles. The very word evokes a sense of awe and admiration. These magnificent creatures have long been revered for their strength, grace, and commanding presence. These majestic birds of prey command the skies with their powerful presence and unparalleled hunting prowess. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot prey from great distances, and their powerful talons ensure a swift and deadly capture. Found on every continent except Antarctica, eagles have captivated human imagination for centuries, often symbolizing strength, freedom, and even divinity in various cultures. From ancient mythology to modern emblems, eagles have been depicted as messengers of the gods, symbols of power, and icons of national pride. Their iconic silhouettes against the backdrop of a clear sky, their piercing gaze, and their effortless soaring inspire a sense of wonder that transcends geographical boundaries. The sight of an eagle in flight is a reminder of the beauty and majesty of the natural world. From the soaring heights they reach to the intricate ecosystems they rule, eagles play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Their presence in an ecosystem is a testament to its health and vitality. Their presence, or lack thereof, can signal the health of an environment, making them important indicators of ecological well-being. Eagles are often at the top of the food chain, and their survival is closely linked to the health of their habitats. As apex predators, they help regulate prey populations and contribute to the overall biodiversity of their habitats. Their hunting skills are honed through years of practice, and their interactions with other wildlife are complex and fascinating. In this exploration, we delve into the fascinating world of eagles, uncovering the secrets behind their remarkable hunting skills, their diverse habitats, and their intricate social interactions. We will explore how eagles adapt to different environments and the challenges they face in the wild. Join us as we journey across continents to encounter some of the most notable eagle species, from the iconic bald eagle of North America to the elusive harpy eagle of South American rainforests. Each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations that make it a true monarch of the skies. We will also witness the life cycle of eagles, from the hatching of chicks to their first flight. The dedication of eagle parents to their young is a testament to the strength and resilience of these incredible birds. Finally, we will look at the conservation efforts being made to protect these majestic birds and ensure their survival for future generations. Through habitat preservation, anti-poaching measures, and public awareness campaigns, we can all play a part in safeguarding the future of eagles. So, spread your wings and join us on this incredible journey to discover the monarchs of the skies. Together, we will uncover the mysteries and marvels of these awe-inspiring creatures. Eagles are instantly recognizable by their powerful build and sharp features, perfectly adapted for a life of hunting. Their piercing eyes and majestic stance exude an aura of dominance and precision. Their size varies greatly among species, but all share certain characteristics that make them formidable predators. From the smallest to the largest, each eagle is a master of its environment, utilizing its unique adaptations to thrive. The smallest, the South Nicobar serpent eagle, measures a mere 16 inches in length, yet it is no less fierce than its larger counterparts. This diminutive predator is agile and swift, making it a formidable hunter in its own right. On the other end of the spectrum, the largest eagles, such as the Philippine eagle and the Steller's sea eagle, can reach over 3 feet in length with wingspans exceeding 7 feet. These giants of the sky command respect and awe with their sheer size and power. One of the most striking features of an eagle is its beak. This hooked, sharp beak is a tool of exceptional strength and precision, capable of tearing through flesh and bone with ease. It is perfectly designed for the task of dismembering prey. The beak's design allows eagles to efficiently process their food, ensuring they can consume every part of their catch. This efficiency is crucial for their survival, especially in harsh environments where every meal counts. The powerful muscles in their head and neck provide the force needed to deliver a deadly blow to their prey. These muscles are finely tuned, allowing for precise and powerful strikes that can incapacitate even the most resilient of prey. Their talons, equally impressive, are long, sharp, and curved, acting like grappling hooks to seize and hold on to their quarry. These talons are not just for catching prey, but also for carrying it over long distances back to their nests. Perhaps the most crucial weapon in an eagle's arsenal is its exceptional eyesight. Their eyes are significantly larger than those of humans, granting them an almost telescopic vision. This extraordinary vision is essential for spotting prey from great heights. Their eyes are equipped with a high number of photoreceptor cells, allowing them to detect even the slightest movements from afar. This ability to see in such detail gives them a significant advantage when hunting. They can spot prey from incredible distances, often miles away, and their ability to perceive a wider range of colors enhances their hunting efficiency. This color perception helps them distinguish prey from the surrounding environment. The combination of their keen eyesight, powerful beak, and formidable talons makes eagles unparalleled hunters. Their agility and speed in flight further enhance their ability to capture prey, making them true masters of the skies. This keen eyesight, combined with their agility and speed, makes them unmatched hunters in the avian world. Their ability to adapt to various environments and hunting conditions ensures their place at the top of the food chain, embodying the essence of a perfect predator. Eagles are remarkably adaptable creatures, inhabiting a wide range of habitats across the globe. They are found on every continent except Antarctica, from the soaring heights of mountain ranges to the dense canopies of rainforests and the rugged coastlines of continents. Their ability to thrive in such diverse environments speaks volumes about their resilience and adaptability. Many eagle species prefer open areas where they can hunt with minimal obstruction. Soaring high above grasslands, deserts, and tundra, they scan the ground for prey with their keen eyesight. Others, like the African fish eagle, favor wetlands, lakes, and rivers, their hunting techniques specifically adapted to snatch fish from the water's surface. Despite their preference for open areas, eagles are also found in dense forests, particularly in tropical regions. The harpy eagle, for instance, navigates the dense South American rainforests with surprising agility, its powerful wings propelling it through the undergrowth in pursuit of monkeys and sloths. Regardless of their chosen habitat, eagles establish territories that they defend fiercely, ensuring access to sufficient food and nesting sites. As apex predators, eagles sit atop the food chain, playing a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. These majestic birds are not just symbols of power and freedom, but also key players in their habitats, ensuring that populations of other species remain in check. Their diet consists primarily of meat, with different species specializing in hunting specific prey. From small mammals to fish, and even other birds, eagles have a diverse palate that reflects their adaptability and the variety of environments they inhabit. Their hunting techniques are as diverse as their habitats, showcasing their remarkable adaptability and intelligence. Whether they are diving at incredible speeds to catch prey or using stealth to ambush, eagles demonstrate a range of strategies that highlight their evolutionary success. Some eagles, like the iconic bald eagle, are opportunistic feeders, often scavenging for carrion or stealing food from other predators. This behavior not only ensures they have a steady food supply, but also helps in cleaning up the environment by removing dead animals. However, they are also skilled hunters, capable of snatching fish from the water's surface with their powerful talons. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot fish from high above, and their swift, precise movements ensure a successful catch. Golden eagles, known for their strength and agility, prey on a wider variety of animals, including rabbits, hares, marmots, and even larger mammals like lambs and fawns. Their powerful build and sharp talons make them formidable hunters, capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. Eagles employ a variety of hunting techniques, often depending on their prey and environment. Some may use the element of surprise, while others rely on their speed and agility to outmaneuver their targets. Some, like the martial eagle of Africa, soar high above the ground, scanning the landscape for movement before swooping down on their unsuspecting prey. This high-altitude hunting strategy allows them to cover large areas and spot potential meals from great distances. Others, like the crowned eagle, utilize a sit-and-wait strategy, perching on a high vantage point and ambushing their prey with lightning speed. This method requires patience and precision, as they must remain undetected until the perfect moment to strike. Their hunting prowess is a testament to their incredible adaptations and their vital role in the intricate web of life. By controlling the populations of their prey, eagles help maintain the health and balance of their ecosystems, ensuring that no single species dominates and that biodiversity thrives. Their presence is a reminder of the delicate interconnections that sustain our natural world.
Crocodiles are creatures that seem to have stepped out of a prehistoric past. Their rugged, scaly skin and piercing eyes evoke images of a time when dinosaurs roamed the earth. These formidable reptiles have an almost mythical presence, capturing the imagination of people across generations. They are ancient predators, with a lineage stretching back over 200 million years. This incredible evolutionary journey has seen them adapt and survive through dramatic changes in the Earth's climate and geography. From the age of the dinosaurs to the present day, crocodiles have remained remarkably consistent in their form and function. Their ancestors swam alongside dinosaurs, and yet these remarkable reptiles have survived to the present day. This resilience is a testament to their adaptability and the efficiency of their predatory skills. Over millions of years, crocodiles have honed their hunting techniques, becoming one of the most successful groups of predators on the planet. Crocodiles thrive in warm climates across the globe, inhabiting rivers, lakes, and even coastal saltwater areas. Their ability to live in such diverse environments speaks to their versatility. Whether basking in the sun on a riverbank or lurking beneath the surface of a murky swamp, crocodiles are perfectly adapted to their surroundings. They are a vital part of their ecosystems, playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. As apex predators, crocodiles help to control the populations of various species, ensuring that no single group becomes too dominant. This balance is essential for the health of the ecosystem, as it promotes biodiversity and stability. These powerful reptiles are apex predators, meaning they sit atop their respective food chains. Their hunting prowess is unmatched, with a combination of stealth, strength, and speed that makes them formidable hunters. Crocodiles can take down a wide range of prey, from fish and birds to larger mammals. Their presence helps to regulate prey populations, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant. This regulation is crucial for the health of the ecosystem, as it prevents overgrazing and ensures that resources are distributed more evenly among different species. This intricate web of predator and prey interactions is essential for the health and stability of the entire ecosystem. The presence of crocodiles helps to maintain this delicate balance, supporting a diverse range of species and promoting a healthy environment. Without these apex predators, ecosystems could become unbalanced, leading to a decline in biodiversity. Understanding crocodiles, their lives, and the threats they face is crucial for appreciating the delicate balance of nature and the importance of conservation efforts. Human activities, such as habitat destruction and pollution, pose significant threats to crocodile populations. By studying these ancient predators and their role in the ecosystem, we can better appreciate the need to protect them and their habitats. Conservation efforts are essential to ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to thrive in the modern world, maintaining the natural balance that has existed for millions of years. Crocodiles possess a unique and formidable set of physical characteristics that have enabled their survival over millennia. These ancient reptiles have roamed the earth for over 200 million years, adapting to various environments and outlasting many other species. Their resilience and adaptability are largely due to their remarkable physical traits. Their most recognizable feature is undoubtedly their tough, armored skin. This skin is not just for show, it serves multiple critical functions that are essential for their survival. The thick, scaly hide acts as a formidable barrier against physical injuries and attacks from other predators. This natural armor plating is made up of bony plates called osteoderms, which provide protection from predators and even assist in regulating body temperature. These osteoderms are embedded within the skin and are covered by a layer of tough, keratinized scales. This combination of bone and keratin makes their skin incredibly durable and resistant to damage. In terms of size, crocodiles display significant variation. This size diversity is a testament to their adaptability and evolutionary success. Different species have evolved to thrive in a variety of habitats, from freshwater rivers and lakes to brackish waters and coastal regions. The smallest species, the dwarf crocodile, can reach lengths of just over 5 feet. Despite their smaller size, dwarf crocodiles are no less formidable. They have adapted to life in dense, swampy forests, where their smaller size allows them to navigate through thick vegetation and hunt for prey. In stark contrast, the saltwater crocodile, the largest living reptile, can grow to over 20 feet in length and weigh over 2,000 pounds. These giants are apex predators in their environments, capable of taking down large prey such as water buffalo and even sharks. Their immense size and strength make them one of the most feared predators in the animal kingdom. Their physical adaptations extend beyond their impressive size and armor. Crocodiles are also equipped with powerful jaws and sharp teeth, which they use to catch and hold on to their prey. Their bite force is one of the strongest in the animal world, capable of crushing bones with ease. Their eyes and nostrils are positioned high on their heads, allowing them to remain almost entirely submerged while still being able to see and breathe. This adaptation is particularly useful for ambushing prey. By staying mostly hidden beneath the water's surface, crocodiles can approach their prey without being detected until it's too late. This strategic placement is a testament to their aquatic lifestyle and predatory prowess. Crocodiles are patient hunters, often lying in wait for hours or even days for the perfect moment to strike. Their ability to remain motionless and undetected is a key factor in their hunting success. These incredible adaptations have made crocodiles one of the most efficient and successful predators in the animal kingdom, ensuring their survival for millions of years. Crocodiles are found in tropical and subtropical regions across the globe, inhabiting a variety of aquatic habitats. They are particularly well-suited to freshwater environments such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. Here, they can be found lurking beneath the surface, their camouflage providing excellent cover as they lie in wait for unsuspecting prey. While many species favor freshwater habitats, some, like the aptly named saltwater crocodile, have adapted to life in brackish water and even coastal marine environments. These saltwater giants possess specialized salt glands on their tongues, allowing them to excrete excess salt and thrive in these challenging environments. From the murky depths of mangrove swamps to the open waters of the coast, crocodiles have carved out a niche for themselves in a diverse range of aquatic ecosystems. Masters of ambush, a crocodile's hunt. In the murky waters of rivers and swamps, a silent predator lurks, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. This is the world of the crocodile, a creature that has perfected the art of ambush over millions of years. Crocodiles are carnivorous predators, and their diet consists primarily of fish, birds, reptiles, and mammals. They are not picky eaters and will consume almost any animal that comes within their reach. From the smallest fish to large mammals, nothing is safe from their powerful jaws. Their hunting techniques are a testament to their patience and their ability to exploit their environment. Crocodiles are masters of stealth, using their surroundings to their advantage. They can remain motionless for hours, blending seamlessly into the water and vegetation. Often they lie in wait, partially submerged and perfectly still, resembling logs or submerged debris. This camouflage is so effective that even the most cautious animals can be deceived. The crocodile's ability to remain undetected is one of its greatest strengths. This camouflage makes them virtually invisible to unsuspecting prey approaching the water's edge to drink or cool off. Animals like zebras, antelopes, and even large birds are often unaware of the danger lurking just beneath the surface. When an opportunity arises, a crocodile will explode from the water with astonishing speed and power. This sudden burst of energy is both terrifying and mesmerizing, as the crocodile uses its muscular body to launch itself at its prey. Their powerful jaws, lined with sharp teeth, deliver a crushing bite force that is among the strongest in the animal kingdom. The sheer strength of their bite can easily break bones and tear through flesh, making escape almost impossible for their prey. Once they have seized their prey, they employ a gruesome but effective killing technique known as the death roll. This maneuver is not just about killing. It's about ensuring that the prey cannot fight back or escape. This involves violently rotating their bodies underwater, disorienting and drowning their prey while also tearing off large chunks of flesh. The death roll is a brutal yet efficient method, showcasing the crocodile's raw power and predatory prowess. In the end, the crocodile emerges victorious, having secured its meal through a combination of patience, strength, and sheer ferocity. The solitary life of a cold-blooded killer. Crocodiles are largely solitary creatures, preferring to hunt and live independently. They are ectothermic, meaning they rely on external sources like the sun to regulate their body temperature. This is why they are often seen basking in the sun on riverbanks or logs. Basking helps them to raise their body temperature, which is essential for proper digestion and overall metabolic function. While generally solitary, crocodiles do come together for mating. During the breeding season, males become highly territorial and engage in elaborate courtship displays to attract females. These displays often involve vocalizations, such as loud bellows and roars, as well as head slapping and water churning. Once mating has taken place, female crocodiles lay their eggs in nests constructed of vegetation or buried in the sand, depending on the species. The orca, also known as the killer whale, is a truly remarkable creature. These majestic animals are easily recognizable by their distinctive black and white coloring and their impressive size. Often called the wolves of the sea, these animals are highly intelligent and social. They live in complex social structures known as pods, which can consist of up to 40 individuals. Each pod has its own unique set of vocalizations, almost like a language, which they use to communicate with one another. They belong to the oceanic dolphin family, making them the largest of all dolphin species. Despite their name, killer whales are actually gentle giants when it comes to interactions with humans. Orcas are found throughout the world's oceans, from tropical to polar regions. Their wide distribution is a testament to their adaptability and survival skills. They can thrive in a variety of marine environments, from the icy waters of the Arctic and Antarctic to the warm tropical seas. Their adaptability to diverse environments is a testament to their intelligence and resilience. Orcas have been observed using sophisticated hunting techniques, such as creating waves to knock seals off ice floes, or working together to herd fish into tight balls. These apex predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. By preying on various marine species, they help regulate populations and ensure the health of the oceanic food web. Their presence or absence can have a significant impact on the health of our oceans. The decline of orca populations can lead to imbalances in marine ecosystems, affecting everything from fish stocks to the health of coral reefs. Understanding these magnificent creatures is essential for their conservation and for the well-being of our planet. Researchers are continually studying orcas to learn more about their behavior, social structures, and the challenges they face in the wild. By protecting orcas, we are also safeguarding the health of our oceans and, ultimately, our own future. The orca's striking black and white coloration is instantly recognizable. This unique color pattern is not just for show. It plays a crucial role in their survival. This distinctive pattern, with a black back, white underside, and white patches near the eyes, provides camouflage in the water. When viewed from above, their dark backs blend with the ocean depths, and from below, their white undersides match the lighter surface, making them less visible to both prey and predators. Males are larger than females, reaching up to 30 feet in length and weighing up to 10 tons. Their size and strength are formidable, making them one of the ocean's most powerful creatures. Females are slightly smaller, typically growing to about 23 feet. Despite their smaller size, female orcas are equally impressive and play a vital role in the pod's social structure and hunting strategies. Orcas have powerful tails, or flukes, that propel them through the water with impressive speed and agility. These flukes are not only essential for movement, but also for communication, as orcas use them to slap the water's surface, creating sounds that can be heard over long distances. Their dorsal fins, particularly pronounced in males, can reach up to 6 feet in height. These tall fins are not just for show. They help stabilize the orca as it swims and can be used to regulate body temperature. These physical adaptations make orcas perfectly suited for their role as apex predators, allowing them to hunt a wide variety of prey in diverse marine environments. From fish and squid to seals and even whales, orcas' hunting techniques are as varied as their diet, showcasing their incredible intelligence and adaptability in the wild. Orcas are highly social animals, living in groups called pods. These pods can range in size from a few individuals to over 40. Family is at the heart of orca society. Pods are typically led by an experienced female, the matriarch, and consist of her offspring and their descendants. Communication is key to their social bonds. Orcas use a complex system of whistles, clicks, and pulsed calls to communicate with each other. Each pod has its own unique dialect, much like regional accents in humans. This sophisticated communication system allows them to coordinate hunting strategies, maintain social bonds, and navigate their underwater world. Orcas are opportunistic predators with a diverse diet. Their menu includes fish, squid, seals, sea lions, and even other whale species. Their hunting techniques are as varied as their prey. They often work together in coordinated groups, using sophisticated strategies to herd and capture their prey. One remarkable technique is beaching, where orcas intentionally strand themselves on shore to catch seals or sea lions before wriggling back into deeper water. Their intelligence and adaptability make them highly effective hunters, able to exploit a wide range of food sources in different environments. Section 5. A whale of a brain, intelligence and culture. Orcas possess remarkable intelligence, evident in their complex communication, problem-solving abilities, and cultural behaviors. Their brains are among the most complex in the animal kingdom, second only to humans in terms of size and complexity. Different orca populations have developed unique hunting techniques and cultural practices, passed down through generations. For example, some groups have learned to create waves to wash seals off ice floes, while others use their tails to stun fish. These cultural variations highlight their intelligence and adaptability. Section 6. Resident versus transient ecotypes and their significance. Scientists have identified different ecotypes of orcas, each with distinct physical characteristics, diets, and cultural behaviors. Two well-known ecotypes are resident and transient orcas. Resident orcas primarily feed on fish, particularly salmon, while transient orcas specialize in hunting marine mammals. These ecotypes demonstrate the remarkable adaptability of orcas and their ability to specialize in different ecological niches. Understanding these variations is crucial for conservation efforts, as different ecotypes may face unique threats and require targeted conservation strategies. Section 7. A world of sound. The importance of vocalizations. Orcas rely heavily on sound for communication, navigation, and hunting. These majestic creatures have developed a complex system of vocalizations that allow them to interact with each other in ways that are still being studied by scientists. They live in a world of sound, using echolocation to build a sonic map of their surroundings. This sophisticated method enables them to detect prey, avoid obstacles, and even communicate with other orcas over long distances. By emitting a series of clicks and listening for the echoes that bounce back, they can determine the size, shape, and location of objects in the water, even in complete darkness. This ability is crucial for their survival, especially in the deep, dark waters where visibility is limited. Their vocalizations are essential for coordinating group activities, such as hunting or navigating through complex underwater environments. Each pod has its own unique set of calls, which helps them stay organized and work together efficiently. Human-made noise pollution, from shipping traffic, sonar, and seismic surveys, can interfere with their ability to communicate and navigate, posing a significant threat to their well-being. The increasing levels of noise in the oceans can mask their calls, making it difficult for them to find each other and coordinate their activities. Conservation efforts are crucial to mitigate these impacts and ensure the survival of these incredible marine mammals. Section 8. Troubled waters. Threats to orca survival. Despite their status as apex predators, orcas face a growing number of threats, many of which are human-caused. Pollution from industrial activities, agricultural runoff, and plastic waste contaminates their marine environment, accumulating in the food chain and impacting their health. Overfishing depletes their prey populations, leading to food shortages and competition for resources. Climate change is altering ocean temperatures and currents, affecting the distribution and abundance of their prey. Entanglement in fishing gear and collisions with boats are also significant threats, causing injuries and fatalities. Section 9. Guardians of the Deep. Conservation efforts. Protecting orcas and their marine environment requires a multifaceted approach, addressing the complex threats they face. Establishing marine protected areas can help safeguard critical habitats and reduce the impact of human activities. Reducing pollution from land-based sources and promoting sustainable fishing practices are essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems. Raising awareness about the plight of orcas and the importance of conservation is crucial for garnering public support and driving policy changes. Section 10. Our Shared Future. A call to action. The fate of orcas, like that of all marine life, is inextricably linked to our own. Their health reflects the health of our oceans, and their decline is a stark reminder of the impact of human activities on the planet. We have a collective responsibility to protect these magnificent creatures and ensure their survival for generations to come. By reducing our impact on the environment, supporting sustainable practices, and advocating for conservation, we can make a difference. The time to act is now, for the sake of orcas, for the health of our oceans, and for the future of our planet.
Hello, fellow explorers. Welcome to another exciting adventure. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of seals. These remarkable creatures are not only adorable but also incredibly important to our ocean's health. These amazing creatures are a vital part of our ocean's ecosystem. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine life by being both predators and prey. From the icy Arctic to warmer waters, seals thrive in a variety of habitats. They can be found lounging on sunny rocks, swimming through kelp forests, and even navigating the icy waters of the poles. Join me as we learn about their unique adaptations, behaviors, and the challenges they face. Seals have evolved to survive in some of the most extreme environments on Earth. Seals are marine mammals, meaning they breathe air just like you and me. Despite spending most of their lives in the water, they must come up for air regularly. They belong to a group called pinnipeds, which means fin-footed. Their flippers are perfectly adapted for swimming, but they can also move on land with surprising agility. This group also includes sea lions and walruses. Each of these animals has its own unique characteristics and adaptations that help them survive in their specific environments. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible animals. Seals are not only intelligent but also very social. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations and body language. Seal mothers are very attentive to their pups, teaching them how to swim and hunt. The bond between a mother seal and her pup is truly heartwarming to witness. Seals are skilled hunters, often working together to catch fish and other prey. However, they also have to be wary of predators like sharks and orcas. Unfortunately, seals face many challenges due to human activities. Pollution, climate change, and entanglement in fishing nets are just a few of the threats they encounter. Thankfully, there are many conservation efforts in place to protect these wonderful creatures. Organizations around the world are working tirelessly to rescue, rehabilitate, and release seals back into their natural habitats. With continued efforts, we can ensure that seals continue to thrive in our oceans. By protecting their habitats and reducing human impact, we can help maintain the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. So let's celebrate these incredible animals and do our part to protect them. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the world of seals. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of our natural world. Seals are perfectly designed for life in the water. Their streamlined bodies, shaped like a torpedo, allow them to glide through the water with ease. Their powerful flippers propel them forward, making them swift and agile swimmers. To survive in cold water, seals have a thick layer of blubber under their skin. This blubber acts like a warm, cozy blanket, keeping them insulated. They can also hold their breath for a long time, some species for over an hour. This allows them to dive deep to search for food. Seals are social animals, often found in groups called colonies. These colonies can range in size from a few individuals to thousands of seals. They communicate with each other through a variety of sounds, including barks, growls, and whistles. Each sound conveys a different message. Whether it's a warning about danger, a mother calling to her pup, or simply a friendly greeting. Seals also use body language to communicate, such as slapping their flippers on the water or raising their heads high in the air. Seals are skilled hunters relying on their finely tuned senses to find food in the vast, often unforgiving ocean. These marine mammals have adapted to their environment in remarkable ways, making them efficient and effective predators. Their eyesight is excellent, especially in low-light conditions, allowing them to spot prey in murky water. This adaptation is crucial for hunting at dawn, dusk, or in the deep ocean where sunlight barely penetrates. Their eyes are specially adapted to see in the dim light, giving them a significant advantage over their prey. In addition to their sharp vision, seals have a keen sense of hearing. They can pick up sounds both above and below the water's surface. But perhaps their most fascinating adaptation is their sensitive whiskers, known as vibrissae. These whiskers can detect the slightest vibrations in the water, helping seals to locate prey even in complete darkness or murky conditions. The vibrissae are so sensitive that they can discern the size, shape, and movement of objects, making them an indispensable tool for hunting. Seals have a diverse diet that consists mainly of fish, squid, and crustaceans. They are opportunistic feeders, meaning they will eat whatever is available and abundant in their environment. This flexibility in their diet allows them to thrive in various marine habitats, from the icy waters of the Arctic and Antarctic to the temperate and tropical seas. Some larger seals, like the formidable leopard seals, take their hunting prowess to another level. These apex predators are known to hunt penguins and even other seals. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth make them formidable hunters, capable of taking down large and agile prey. Leopard seals are solitary hunters, relying on stealth and surprise to catch their prey. Seals employ a variety of hunting strategies to catch their food. They can chase down fast-swimming fish, ambush unsuspecting prey, or use their whiskers to find food hidden in the sand. Some seals have even been observed using tools, such as rocks, to break open hard-shelled prey. These diverse hunting techniques showcase the seal's adaptability and intelligence, making them true masters of the hunt in the marine world. Section 5. Raising a pup in a challenging world. Seal pups are born on land or ice floes depending on the species. Mothers nurse their pups with rich, fatty milk, helping them grow quickly. Pups are incredibly adorable with their big eyes and fluffy fur. Life for a seal pup can be challenging. They must learn to swim, hunt, and avoid predators, all while navigating the vast ocean. Thankfully, their mothers are fiercely protective and teach them everything they need to know to survive. Section 6. A diverse family, from harp seals to elephant seals. The world of seals is incredibly fascinating and diverse, encompassing a wide range of species that have adapted to various environments across the globe. The seal family is diverse, with over 30 different species found worldwide. These species inhabit a variety of environments, from the icy waters of the Arctic and Antarctic to the temperate and even tropical regions of the world. Each species has unique adaptations and characteristics that help them thrive in their specific environment. These adaptations can include specialized fur, unique body shapes and behaviors that are perfectly suited to their habitats. For example, harp seals are known for their beautiful silver-gray coats, which provide excellent camouflage against the icy landscapes they inhabit. These seals undertake long migrations across the icy Arctic, traveling thousands of miles each year to find food and breeding grounds. Their ability to navigate such vast distances is truly remarkable. Elephant seals, on the other hand, are the largest of all seals. These massive creatures can be found on the beaches of the Pacific Ocean, where they come ashore to breed and molt. With males weighing up to several tons, elephant seals are truly giants of the seal world. The size difference between males and females is quite pronounced, with males being significantly larger. One of the most distinctive features of the male elephant seal is their inflatable proboscis, a large trunk-like structure on their noses. This proboscis is not just for show, it plays a crucial role in their social interactions. They use this inflatable proboscis to produce loud, roaring sounds which can be heard from great distances. These sounds are used to attract mates and to establish dominance over other males during the breeding season. The world of seals is full of such fascinating behaviors and adaptations, making them one of the most interesting groups of marine mammals. Section 7. Facing threats, protecting our flippered friends. Unfortunately, many seal populations face threats from human activities and environmental changes. Pollution, habitat loss, and climate change are just some of the challenges they encounter. Overfishing can deplete their food sources, while entanglement in fishing gear can injure or even kill them. Climate change is also impacting their icy habitats, making it harder for some species to find food and raise their pups. The good news is that there are many people and organizations working tirelessly to protect seals and their habitats. Conservation efforts include establishing marine protected areas, reducing pollution, and promoting sustainable fishing practices. Scientists are also studying seal populations to better understand their behavior, ecology, and the impacts of climate change. By learning more about these fascinating creatures, we can develop more effective conservation strategies to ensure their survival for generations to come. Seals play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of marine ecosystems. As predators, they help regulate populations of fish and other marine animals. Their presence is an indicator of a healthy ocean. By protecting seals, we are also protecting countless other species that depend on them and the ocean environment. It's a reminder that everything in nature is interconnected, and our actions have ripple effects throughout the ecosystem. We can all make a difference in the lives of seals. By reducing our plastic consumption, supporting sustainable seafood choices, and spreading awareness about the challenges they face, we can contribute to their conservation. Consider supporting organizations dedicated to ocean conservation or participating in beach cleanups to remove harmful debris. Even small actions can have a big impact when we all work together. As we've explored the fascinating world of seals, we've learned about their incredible adaptations, their social nature, and the threats they face. These amazing creatures remind us of the beauty and fragility of our oceans. Let's all do our part to protect seals and all marine life. By working together, we can ensure that these magnificent animals continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. Remember, we all share this planet, and it's our responsibility to be good stewards of the natural world. Wolves. The very mention of their name can send shivers down the spine, evoking a sense of awe and primal fear that has been ingrained in human consciousness for centuries. The very name evokes a sense of awe and primal fear, a testament to their enduring presence in our collective consciousness. These majestic creatures have been both revered and reviled, often seen as symbols of the untamed wilderness and the unknown, a testament to their enduring presence in our collective consciousness. Throughout human history, wolves have been woven into the fabric of mythology, often depicted as fearsome predators lurking in the shadows. Their howls echo through the ages, a haunting reminder of the wild places that still exist beyond the reach of civilization. Throughout human history, wolves have been woven into the fabric of mythology, often depicted as fearsome predators lurking in the shadows. From the Norse legends of Fenrir, the monstrous wolf destined to bring about the end of the world, to the cautionary tales of Little Red Riding Hood, wolves have always been cast in the role of the villain. From ancient legends to modern literature, they have captivated our imaginations, symbolizing both danger and untamed wilderness. Yet these stories only scratch the surface of what wolves truly are. They are not just the antagonists of our tales, but are complex beings with their own stories to tell. Yet beyond the myths and legends lies a creature of remarkable intelligence, social complexity, and ecological significance. Wolves live in tight-knit family units known as packs, where each member has a role to play. Their social structure is intricate, with a hierarchy that ensures the survival and success of the group. Wolves, as apex predators, play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. They are skilled hunters capable of taking down prey much larger than themselves. Their hunting strategies are a testament to their intelligence and cooperation, often involving complex tactics and teamwork. Their presence or absence sends ripples through the food web, impacting everything from prey populations to plant life. When wolves were reintroduced to Yellowstone National Park, for example, their presence led to a cascade of ecological changes that benefited the entire ecosystem, from the rivers to the trees. Understanding wolves, therefore, requires separating fact from fiction, appreciating them not just as characters in our stories, but as vital members of the natural world. They are not the bloodthirsty monsters of legend, but are essential to the health of the environments they inhabit. This essay delves into the fascinating world of wolves, exploring their physical and social characteristics, their hunting prowess, and their complex relationship with humans. It seeks to shed light on the true nature of these magnificent creatures, beyond the myths and misconceptions, and their complex relationship with humans. Throughout history, wolves have been both feared and admired by humans. They have been hunted to the brink of extinction in some areas, while in others, they have been protected and revered. This complex relationship continues to evolve as we learn more about these incredible animals. It is a journey into the heart of the wild, a call to recognize the importance of these magnificent creatures and our responsibility in ensuring their survival for generations to come. By understanding and protecting wolves, we not only preserve a vital part of our natural heritage, but also ensure the health and balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. Let us embark on this journey together, to discover the true essence of wolves and the vital role they play in the world we share. Wolves are superbly adapted to their environment, possessing a suite of physical characteristics that make them formidable predators. These majestic creatures are built for survival, with every aspect of their anatomy and physiology fine-tuned to the demands of their often harsh and unforgiving habitats. Their keen senses are crucial for survival in the wild. Wolves rely heavily on their acute senses to navigate their world, find food, and communicate with each other. Their hearing is exceptionally acute, capable of detecting sounds at frequencies inaudible to humans. This heightened auditory ability allows them to pick up on the faintest rustle of leaves or the distant call of a potential prey animal. This allows them to locate prey over vast distances, even through dense undergrowth. The ability to hear such subtle sounds gives wolves a significant advantage when hunting in thick forests or other environments where visibility is limited. Their eyesight, too, is adapted for hunting, with binocular vision providing excellent depth perception. This is crucial for judging distances accurately, whether they are stalking prey or navigating through their territory. Wolves can see well in low-light conditions, giving them an advantage during twilight hours when many prey animals are most active. Their eyes have a high number of rod cells, which are more sensitive to light and movement, allowing them to detect even the slightest motion in the dimmest of light. Their sense of smell, perhaps their most powerful sense, is estimated to be hundreds of times stronger than ours. This extraordinary olfactory capability enables wolves to detect scents over great distances, making it possible for them to track prey, identify potential threats, and communicate with other wolves through scent marking. This incredible olfactory ability allows them to track prey over long distances, detect subtle changes in their environment, and even recognize pack members from miles away. The sense of smell is also vital for social interactions within the pack, helping to maintain the complex social structure that is essential for their survival. These heightened senses, combined with their physical strength and endurance, make wolves perfectly equipped to thrive in a variety of challenging habitats, from the Arctic tundra to dense forests. Their adaptability is a testament to their evolutionary success, allowing them to inhabit a wide range of environments across the globe. Their powerful legs and muscular bodies are built for stamina, allowing them to cover vast distances in search of food. Wolves are known to travel up to 30 miles in a single day, tirelessly patrolling their territory and seeking out prey. A wolf can sprint at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour in short bursts, chasing down prey with relentless determination. This incredible speed, combined with their endurance, makes them highly effective hunters capable of pursuing and capturing even the swiftest of animals. This combination of speed, endurance, and sensory acuity makes the wolf a true master of its domain. Their physical prowess, coupled with their intelligence and social cooperation, ensures that they remain one of the most successful and awe-inspiring predators in the animal kingdom. Whether navigating the dense forests, the open plains, or the icy tundra, wolves continue to captivate our imagination with their remarkable abilities and indomitable spirit. Wolves are highly social animals, living in structured family groups known as packs. These packs are not just random collections of wolves, but are carefully organized units that function almost like a well-oiled machine. A pack typically consists of a breeding pair, their offspring from previous years, and sometimes unrelated individuals who have joined the group. This structure ensures that the pack remains strong and cohesive, with each member contributing to the overall well-being of the group. The pack operates as a cohesive unit, with each member playing a specific role in the group's survival. For instance, some wolves may be more adept at hunting, while others excel at caring for the young or defending the territory. At the top of the hierarchy is the alpha pair, the male and female responsible for breeding and leading the pack. The alpha wolves are the decision makers, guiding the pack through various challenges and ensuring that everyone works together harmoniously. Contrary to popular belief, the alpha status is not achieved through aggression or dominance, but rather through experience, maturity, and the ability to maintain order within the pack. These leaders are often the most experienced and wise members, capable of making decisions that benefit the entire group. The alpha pair leads the hunt, chooses den sites, and raises the pups. Their leadership is crucial during hunts, where coordination and strategy are essential for success. They also select safe and strategic locations for dens, ensuring the safety of their young. Other pack members contribute by caring for the young, assisting in hunting, and defending the pack's territory from rivals. This division of labor allows the pack to function efficiently, with each member playing a vital role in the group's survival. Communication within the pack is complex and multifaceted, relying heavily on body language, vocalizations, and scent marking. These methods of communication help maintain order and coordination within the pack, ensuring that everyone knows their role and responsibilities. Wolves use a wide range of howls, barks, growls, and whimpers to communicate with each other, conveying information about food sources, potential threats, and their own emotional state. Each sound has a specific meaning, allowing wolves to convey complex messages quickly and effectively. This intricate social structure and sophisticated communication system are testaments to the intelligence and adaptability of these remarkable creatures. Wolves have evolved to live in these complex social groups, demonstrating a level of cooperation and coordination that is rare in the animal kingdom. Their ability to work together, communicate effectively, and adapt to changing circumstances makes them one of the most fascinating species in the wild. Beyond their roles and responsibilities, wolves also engage in social activities that strengthen their bonds. Playful interactions and grooming sessions are common, helping to build trust and camaraderie among pack members. These activities are not just for fun, they are essential for maintaining the social fabric of the pack. The pack's territory is another critical aspect of their social dynamics. Wolves are highly territorial animals, and they work together to patrol and defend their range from intruders. This territorial behavior ensures that they have access to sufficient resources, such as food and shelter, to support the pack. Wolves are also incredibly adaptable, capable of navigating through various terrains and adjusting to seasonal changes. Whether they are traversing dense forests, open meadows, or snowy landscapes, wolves use their keen senses and teamwork to overcome challenges and thrive in diverse environments. In conclusion, the social dynamics of wolf packs are a fascinating blend of cooperation, communication, and adaptability. These remarkable animals have developed a complex social structure that allows them to thrive in the wild, showcasing their intelligence and resilience. By understanding the intricacies of wolf pack dynamics, we gain a deeper appreciation for these incredible creatures and the natural world they inhabit. Wolves are highly skilled predators, relying on a combination of teamwork, intelligence, and endurance to bring down their prey. Hunting is a complex and coordinated effort, often requiring the pack to work together to strategize and execute their attack. They typically target large ungulates like deer, elk, and moose, animals much larger than themselves. Before the hunt, wolves will often observe their prey from a distance, assessing its vulnerabilities and planning their attack. Once the decision is made, the pack will work in unison, using a variety of tactics to isolate and bring down their target. Some wolves may chase the prey towards other pack members lying in wait, while others attempt to separate weaker individuals from the herd. Their stamina comes into play during these chases, as they can maintain a pursuit for miles, wearing down their prey until it's exhausted. Wolves are not always successful in their hunts, and failure can mean going hungry for days. However, their persistence and adaptability ensure their survival, making them one of the most effective predators in the animal kingdom.
Insects are everywhere. They are the most diverse group of animals on Earth. From tiny ants to beautiful butterflies, insects play vital roles in our ecosystems. Some pollinate our crops, while others decompose waste. Insects are essential for life as we know it. However, some insects pose a danger to humans. These insects can transmit diseases, causing illness and even death. Among them, the mosquito stands out as the deadliest insect on Earth. Mosquitoes are small, flying insects found worldwide. Only female mosquitoes bite humans and animals, as they need blood to produce eggs. While their bite is irritating, it's what they carry that makes them truly dangerous. Mosquitoes act as vectors, transmitting diseases from infected individuals to healthy ones. They carry microscopic pathogens, such as viruses and parasites, in their saliva. When a mosquito bites an infected person or animal, it picks up these pathogens. The pathogens multiply inside the mosquito and are then transmitted to the next person the mosquito bites. This makes mosquitoes incredibly efficient disease carriers, responsible for millions of deaths every year. Malaria is a life-threatening disease caused by a parasite called Plasmodium. It is spread through the bites of infected Anopheles mosquitoes. Symptoms of malaria include fever, chills, sweating, headache, muscle pain, and fatigue. Malaria is prevalent in tropical and subtropical regions, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa. It affects millions of people annually, primarily young children and pregnant women. The World Health Organization estimates that nearly half of the world's population is at risk of malaria. Mosquitoes also transmit other serious diseases, posing a significant threat to human health worldwide. Dengue fever, caused by the dengue virus, is characterized by high fever, severe headache, joint and muscle pain, and a rash. It is prevalent in over 100 countries, affecting millions of people annually. In severe cases, dengue can lead to dengue hemorrhagic fever, a life-threatening complication that requires immediate medical attention. This severe form can cause bleeding, blood plasma leakage, and even death. Zika virus, also spread by mosquitoes, gained notoriety in recent years due to its link to birth defects in infants born to infected mothers. The virus can cause microcephaly, a condition where babies are born with smaller heads and underdeveloped brains. While Zika infection is usually mild, it can have devastating consequences for pregnant women and their unborn children. Preventative measures, such as avoiding mosquito bites and using insect repellent, are crucial. Yellow fever, a viral hemorrhagic fever, is another mosquito-borne disease that can be fatal. It is endemic in tropical areas of Africa and South America. It causes fever, chills, headache, muscle aches, and jaundice. In severe cases, it can lead to liver failure and death. Vaccination is available and highly effective in preventing yellow fever. It is recommended for people living in or traveling to endemic areas. These diseases, along with malaria, represent a significant global health burden. Efforts to control mosquito populations and improve public health infrastructure are essential in combating these illnesses. Section 5. The impact on developing countries. Mosquito-borne diseases disproportionately affect developing countries, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. These countries often lack the resources for effective mosquito control programs and access to healthcare. The burden of these diseases extends beyond the individual, impacting families, communities, and national economies. The costs associated with healthcare, lost productivity, and mosquito control efforts are substantial. Addressing mosquito-borne diseases is crucial for improving public health and achieving sustainable development goals. Section 6. The fight against mosquitoes. Efforts to control mosquito populations and prevent disease transmission are ongoing. These efforts are crucial in reducing the spread of mosquito-borne diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus, which affect millions of people worldwide every year. These efforts include insecticide-treated mosquito nets, also known as ITNs. These nets are impregnated with insecticides and provide a physical barrier against mosquito bites while sleeping. They are one of the most effective tools in preventing mosquito bites during the night, which is when many mosquito species are most active. Another method is indoor residual spraying, or IRS. This involves spraying insecticides on the walls and ceilings of homes to kill mosquitoes that rest indoors. IRS is particularly effective in areas where mosquitoes tend to rest on indoor surfaces after feeding. Larviciding is another important strategy. This means applying larvicides to breeding sites, such as stagnant water, to kill mosquito larvae before they can mature into adult mosquitoes. By targeting the larvae, we can significantly reduce the number of adult mosquitoes that can transmit diseases. Personal protection measures are also essential. These include using insect repellents, wearing long-sleeved clothing, and avoiding outdoor activities during peak mosquito biting times, such as dawn and dusk. These measures help reduce the risk of mosquito bites and the diseases they can carry. However, challenges remain in the fight against mosquitoes. Insecticide resistance is becoming a significant problem as mosquitoes evolve to survive chemical treatments. Additionally, climate change is altering mosquito habitats and extending their breeding seasons. Limited resources in affected areas also hinder effective mosquito control efforts. Despite these challenges, ongoing research and community efforts continue to play a vital role in combating mosquito-borne diseases. Section 7. Other dangerous insects. While mosquitoes are the deadliest insects, other insects also pose threats to human health. The tsetse fly, found in sub-Saharan Africa, transmits the parasite that causes African trypanosomiasis, also known as sleeping sickness. The kissing bug, found in the Americas, can transmit the parasite Trypanosoma cruzi, which causes Chagas disease. Chagas disease can lead to heart and digestive problems. Black widow spiders, found in various parts of the world, are known for their venomous bites. While not usually fatal, their bites can cause severe pain, muscle cramps, and other symptoms. Section 8. The threat remains. Despite ongoing efforts, mosquitoes continue to pose a significant threat to global health. Climate change, with rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns, is expanding the range of some mosquito species, increasing the risk of disease transmission in new areas. Insecticide resistance is another growing concern, making mosquito control more challenging. New and innovative approaches are needed to combat these challenges and reduce the burden of mosquito-borne diseases. Section 9. Protecting yourself and others. While the fight against mosquitoes continues, individuals can take proactive steps to protect themselves and their communities. One of the most effective measures is to use insect repellent. Apply insect repellent containing DEET, picaridin, or oil of lemon eucalyptus to exposed skin. These ingredients are proven to be effective in repelling mosquitoes. Additionally, wearing protective clothing can provide an extra layer of defense. When outdoors during peak mosquito biting times, such as dawn and dusk, it is crucial to wear long-sleeved shirts, long pants, socks, and shoes. This minimizes the amount of exposed skin and reduces the chances of getting bitten. Another important step is to eliminate mosquito breeding sites around your home. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in standing water, so it is essential to remove any stagnant water around your home. This includes water in flower pots, buckets, and old tires. Regularly cleaning and emptying these containers can significantly reduce the mosquito population in your area. Supporting mosquito control programs is also vital. Stay informed about local mosquito control efforts and support community initiatives. These programs often involve spraying for mosquitoes and educating the public about prevention methods. By participating in and supporting these efforts, you can help protect your community. By taking these precautions, individuals can significantly reduce their risk of mosquito bites. This not only protects personal health, but also contributes to the global effort to prevent mosquito-borne diseases. Every small action counts in the fight against these pests. Section 10. Conclusion. A shared responsibility. Mosquitoes, the deadliest insects on Earth, continue to threaten global health, particularly in developing countries. Their ability to transmit deadly diseases like malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and yellow fever highlights the importance of mosquito control and disease prevention efforts. Addressing this challenge requires a multifaceted approach involving governments, healthcare providers, researchers, and individuals. By working together, we can reduce the burden of mosquito-borne diseases and create a healthier and safer world for all. The fight against mosquitoes is a shared responsibility, and every effort counts. The ocean depths, vast and mysterious, harbor a creature of unparalleled predatory prowess, the great white shark. This magnificent animal, often shrouded in fear and misconception, reigns supreme as the ocean's deadliest predator. Its reputation as a ruthless killing machine, while partially earned through its hunting prowess, often overshadows its crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem. The great white shark, scientifically known as EAT, has captivated and terrified humanity for centuries. Its massive size, razor-sharp teeth, and reputation for powerful attacks have secured its place in our collective imagination, often portrayed as a mindless eating machine. However, a closer look at this apex predator reveals a creature of remarkable intelligence, adaptability, and ecological significance. This essay delves into the fascinating world of the great white shark, exploring its physical characteristics, hunting techniques, and its crucial role in the marine environment. We will also examine the threats these magnificent creatures face and the ongoing conservation efforts to ensure their survival. Join us as we journey into the depths to understand and appreciate the true nature of the ocean's most iconic predator. The great white shark is a creature of imposing size and power. On average, adults can reach lengths of 15 to 20 feet, with females typically larger than males. Some exceptional individuals have been recorded exceeding 20 feet, making them truly awe-inspiring giants of the deep. Their coloration, a distinctive dark gray above and white below, provides effective camouflage in the ocean depths. This countershading allows them to blend with the sunlight filtering through the water's surface when viewed from below and disappear into the dark depths when seen from above. Their massive, torpedo-shaped bodies are engineered for speed and agility in the water. Their most recognizable feature, their teeth, are a testament to their predatory nature. Great whites possess rows of serrated, triangular teeth, each designed to tear through flesh with ease. These teeth are constantly replaced throughout their lives, ensuring they are always equipped for the hunt. The great white shark is an apex predator, occupying the highest trophic level in the marine food chain. Their diet consists mainly of marine mammals, such as seals, sea lions, dolphins, and porpoises. They are opportunistic feeders, also consuming fish, rays, and even carrion when available. Their hunting strategies are a marvel of evolution, combining stealth, speed, and an array of highly developed senses. They are masters of ambush, often lurking below their unsuspecting prey, using the element of surprise to their advantage. Their powerful bursts of speed allow them to launch themselves out of the water, delivering a fatal blow to their prey. Great white sharks possess an extraordinary sense of smell, allowing them to detect blood and other bodily fluids from miles away. They also utilize electroreception, an ability to sense the faint electrical fields generated by all living organisms. This sixth sense, facilitated by specialized organs called ampullae of Lorenzini located around their snout, allows them to pinpoint prey even in murky water or complete darkness. As apex predators, great white sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of marine ecosystems. Their presence helps regulate populations of prey species, preventing overgrazing and maintaining biodiversity within their habitats. Contrary to popular belief, great white sharks are not indiscriminate killing machines. They are highly intelligent creatures with complex hunting behaviors. Their attacks on humans, while often sensationalized, are relatively rare and often attributed to mistaken identity or curiosity rather than malicious intent. The fear they evoke in humans is understandable, given their size and predatory nature. However, it is essential to remember that we are not their natural prey. Understanding their ecological importance and respecting their role in the ocean's delicate balance is crucial for their conservation and the health of our oceans. Section 5. The hunter hunted. Threats to the great white shark. Despite their apex predator status, great white sharks face numerous threats, primarily from human activities. Overfishing, habitat degradation, and climate change pose significant challenges to their survival. Bycatch, the accidental capture of non-target species and fishing gear, is a significant threat. Great whites often become entangled in gill nets or hooked on long lines intended for other species, leading to injury or death. Habitat degradation, caused by pollution and coastal development, also impacts their prey availability and disrupts their natural behaviors. Climate change poses an additional threat. Rising ocean temperatures and ocean acidification can disrupt marine food webs, impacting the abundance and distribution of their prey. These changes can force great whites to venture into unfamiliar territories, potentially increasing the risk of human-shark interactions. Section 6. Guardians of the Deep. Conservation efforts. Recognizing the threats facing great white sharks, numerous conservation efforts are underway globally to protect this iconic species and their critical role in the marine ecosystem. International organizations, governments, and research institutions are collaborating to implement measures to reduce bycatch, protect critical habitats, and mitigate the impacts of climate change. These efforts include fishing regulations, imposing stricter fishing quotas, implementing gear modifications to minimize bycatch, and establishing marine protected areas where fishing is restricted or prohibited. Habitat restoration. Restoring degraded coastal habitats, reducing pollution, and mitigating the impacts of coastal development to ensure healthy ecosystems for great white sharks and their prey. Scientific research, conducting ongoing research to better understand their biology, behavior, movements, and the impacts of human activities on their populations. Public education and awareness, educating the public about the importance of great white sharks, dispelling myths and misconceptions, and promoting responsible interactions with marine life. Section 7. The future of the great white. A shared responsibility. The future of the great white shark rests on our collective actions. Protecting this iconic species requires a multifaceted approach, addressing the threats they face and fostering a global understanding of their ecological importance. By supporting sustainable fishing practices, reducing our environmental footprint, and advocating for science-based conservation measures, we can contribute to the long-term survival of these magnificent creatures. It is our shared responsibility to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the great white shark, not as a monster to be feared, but as a vital part of a healthy and thriving ocean. Section 8. Beyond the bite. Shifting perceptions. To effectively conserve great white sharks, it is crucial to move beyond the sensationalized portrayal of these creatures as mindless man-eaters. Public perception plays a significant role in shaping conservation efforts and securing the future of this species. Educating the public about the ecological importance of great white sharks, their complex behaviors, and the relatively low risk they pose to humans is essential in fostering respect and appreciation for these animals. By highlighting their beauty, grace, and crucial role in maintaining healthy oceans, we can shift public perception from fear to fascination. Section 9. Coexistence: Navigating a Shared Ocean. As human activities increasingly overlap with the habitats of great white sharks, it is vital to develop strategies for coexistence. This involves promoting responsible behaviors in and around the ocean, respecting their space, and minimizing potential conflicts. Swimmers and surfers can minimize risks by being aware of their surroundings, avoiding swimming at dawn or dusk when sharks are most active, and heeding local advisories and warning signs. Supporting ecotourism initiatives that prioritize ethical observations and contribute to research and conservation can also foster positive interactions between humans and great white sharks. Section 10. Conclusion: An ocean legacy to protect. The great white shark, an apex predator of unparalleled power and grace, stands as a symbol of the ocean's untamed beauty and ecological complexity. Their presence in our oceans is a testament to the power of evolution and the delicate balance that sustains life beneath the waves. It is our responsibility to ensure that this legacy endures. By understanding their importance, addressing the threats they face, and promoting responsible interactions, we can ensure that the great white shark continues to reign as the ocean's apex predator for generations to come. Their survival is inextricably linked to the health of our oceans and the future of our planet. Bears. Just the name conjures images of raw power and untamed wilderness. These magnificent creatures, with their imposing size and undeniable presence, have captivated our imaginations for centuries. Join me as we delve into the lives of these incredible animals, from the towering polar bears of the Arctic to the elusive sun bears of Southeast Asia. Get ready to be amazed by the strength, intelligence, and resilience of these true lords of the wild. Let our journey begin. The bear family, Ursidae, is a relatively small but incredibly diverse group of mammals. 8 distinct species of bears inhabit various corners of the globe, each uniquely adapted to its environment. First, we have the iconic brown bear, a widespread species found across North America, Europe, and Asia. Their size and temperament can vary greatly depending on their subspecies and geographic location. Next, we encounter the polar bear, the largest land predator on Earth, perfectly adapted to the icy landscapes of the Arctic. Their white fur provides camouflage while hunting seals, their primary prey. The American black bear, smaller than its brown cousin, is a highly adaptable species found throughout North America. They are known for their climbing ability and diverse diet. In the high mountains of Asia, we find the Asiatic black bear, also known as the moon bear, recognizable by its distinctive white chest patch. The sloth bear, found in India and Sri Lanka, is easily identified by its long, shaggy fur and specialized snout for sucking up ants and termites. The Andean bear, also known as the spectacled bear, is the only bear species native to South America. The sun bear, the smallest bear species, is found in the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. Finally, we have the giant panda, a beloved and iconic species native to the bamboo forests of China. Bears, despite their differences in size and habitat, share a number of common physical characteristics that make them instantly recognizable. Their powerful bodies are built for strength and endurance, allowing them to thrive in a variety of environments. One of the most distinctive features of bears is their massive size. Even the smallest bear species, the sun bear, can weigh up to 150 pounds, while the largest, the polar bear, can tip the scales at over 1,500 pounds. Their thick fur, which varies in color and length depending on the species and habitat, provides insulation from the cold and helps to camouflage them in their surroundings. Bears are also equipped with 5 toes on each foot, each tipped with a long, non-retractable claw. These claws are essential tools for digging, climbing, tearing apart food, and defending themselves. Finally, bears have a keen sense of smell, which they use to locate food, find mates, and avoid danger. Bears are remarkably adaptable creatures, found in a wide range of habitats across the globe. From the frozen Arctic tundra to the steamy rainforests of Southeast Asia, bears have carved out niches for themselves in some of the most challenging and diverse environments on Earth. Polar bears, as their name suggests, are perfectly at home in the frigid landscapes of the Arctic. Brown bears, on the other hand, are found in a wider variety of habitats, including forests, mountains, and coastal areas. American black bears are equally adaptable, found in forests, swamps, and even mountainous regions across North America. Asiatic black bears prefer the dense forests and mountainous regions of Asia, while sloth bears are found in the tropical forests and grasslands of India and Sri Lanka. Andean bears inhabit the Andean mountains of South America, while sun bears prefer the lowland rainforests of Southeast Asia. Finally, giant pandas are found only in the bamboo forests of China. Bears are often depicted as fearsome predators, and while some species, like the polar bear, are indeed highly carnivorous, the reality is that bears are opportunistic omnivores. Their diet varies greatly depending on the species, the time of year, and the availability of food in their environment. In the spring and summer, when food is abundant, bears will gorge themselves on a variety of foods to build up fat reserves for the leaner months. Berries, fruits, nuts, and roots make up a significant portion of most bear diets. Insects, grubs, and honey are also important food sources, particularly for species like the sloth bear and the sun bear. Fish, particularly salmon, are a crucial food source for brown bears and American black bears living in coastal areas. While most bears are opportunistic hunters, preying on small mammals, birds, and fish when the opportunity arises, the polar bear stands out as a true predator. They rely heavily on seals for sustenance and have evolved specialized hunting techniques to catch these blubbery marine mammals. As winter approaches and food becomes scarce, many bear species retreat to dens to enter a state of dormancy known as hibernation. This remarkable adaptation allows them to conserve energy and survive the harsh winter months when food is scarce and temperatures plummet. During hibernation, a bear's metabolism slows dramatically, its heart rate and breathing slow down, and its body temperature drops slightly. They can remain in this state for several months, surviving on the fat reserves they accumulated during the warmer months. However, not all bear species hibernate. Polar bears, for example, remain active throughout the year, even in the depths of the Arctic winter. American black bears and brown bears are known for their deep hibernation, often spending up to 6 months in their dens. Hibernation is a critical survival strategy for bears living in regions with harsh winters. Spring brings new life to the bear world as cubs emerge from their dens with their mothers ready to explore their surroundings and learn the ways of the wild. Bear cubs are born blind and helpless, relying entirely on their mothers for nourishment and protection. The number of cubs in a litter varies depending on the species and the mother's age and health. Cubs remain with their mothers for up to 2 years, learning essential survival skills such as hunting, foraging, and avoiding danger. During this time, the mother bear is fiercely protective of her young, defending them from predators and teaching them how to navigate their environment. As the cubs grow older and more independent, they will begin to explore further afield, eventually leaving their mothers to establish their territories. The bond between a mother bear and her cubs is incredibly strong, and the lessons learned during those formative years are essential for the cubs' survival. Despite their size, strength, and adaptability, bears around the world face a growing number of threats, many of which stem from human activities and encroachment into their habitats. Habitat loss and fragmentation due to logging, agriculture, and urban development are major threats to bear populations worldwide. As their natural habitats shrink, bears are forced into closer proximity to humans, leading to increased conflicts. Human-wildlife conflict is a serious concern, particularly in areas where human populations are expanding into bear territory. Bears may be attracted to garbage, livestock, and crops, leading to encounters that can be dangerous for both bears and humans. Poaching and illegal hunting for their fur, claws, and other body parts also pose a significant threat to some bear species. Climate change is another emerging threat, particularly for polar bears, which rely on sea ice for hunting seals. The plight of bears around the world highlights the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats. Protecting and restoring bear habitat is crucial for their long-term survival. This includes establishing protected areas, promoting sustainable land management practices, and creating wildlife corridors to connect fragmented habitats. Addressing human-wildlife conflict is essential for both bear and human safety. This can involve implementing bear-proof garbage disposal systems, securing livestock, and educating the public about how to coexist peacefully with bears. Strengthening anti-poaching efforts and cracking down on the illegal wildlife trade are vital for protecting vulnerable bear populations from exploitation. Combating climate change is a global challenge that requires a concerted effort from individuals, governments, and industries. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions, promoting renewable energy sources, and supporting sustainable practices are all essential for mitigating the impacts of climate change on bears and other wildlife. Bears, with their strength, intelligence, and undeniable charisma, hold a special place in our world. They are symbols of wilderness, resilience, and the power of nature. However, their future is uncertain, threatened by habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, climate change, and other human-induced challenges. The responsibility to protect these magnificent creatures rests on our shoulders. By supporting conservation efforts, respecting their habitats, and making conscious choices to reduce our environmental impact, we can help ensure that bears continue to roam free for generations to come. Let us use that inspiration to fuel our commitment to their conservation and to the preservation of our planet's biodiversity. The future of bears, and indeed the future of all life on Earth, depends on our actions today. It is